Hello and thank you for joining us. Today we are discussing the proper usage of BRADEN recovery winches. In the BRADEN bumper winch system, a recovery winch is mounted in a bumper assembly specifically designed for the application. This provides a safe and reliable system that meets SAE standards. Models include the HUP 12 and HUP 30 series, the PD18 series, as well as the PD35 series. These winches are generally mounted on the front of a large truck and are used for self-recovery, moving heavy loads, and other related winching operations. For today, we're going to discuss some aspects of winch usage. This includes departure angles, downward pulls, and self-recovery. Let's start with departure angles. Picture an imaginary line leaving the exact horizontal and vertical center of the winch and going out towards the center of the load. The angle between this imaginary line and the actual angle of the wire rope going towards the load is what's known as a departure angle. Maintaining an appropriate departure angle is essential for safe and reliable operation of the winch. The horizontal departure angle, when pulling towards the left or to the right, should be within 15 degrees of center line. The vertical departure angle, when pulling up or down, should be within 5 degrees of center line. When pulling at a downward angle, a customer-provided stiff leg must be used to prevent damage to the winch and the vehicle's frame and suspension. Note, winch line pull ratings apply only to the winch and not to the vehicle. Bumper winches are often used for self-recovery, such as when a truck gets stuck in a muddy area. The winch line cable will be hooked to an anchor point to recover the vehicle. Oftentimes, the cable is routed around a pulley or a snatch block and connected back to the bumper. This actually doubles the load on the bumper. During these operations, departure angles must be kept to within 15 degrees of the horizontal center line. When using a winch, ensure that personnel are kept clear of the load and winch cable. Be careful that the load does not shift, requiring you to reposition the winch or winch cable. Also, the winch must be maintained in accordance with the specific service manual. These are available through your local distributor or through our website, packourwinch.com. Today, we've covered several key points for safe use of the BRADEN bumper winch system. When pulling to the left or right, keep the horizontal departure angle within 15 degrees of center line. When pulling in an upward or downward direction, keep the vertical departure angle within 5 degrees of center line. When performing a downward pull, a customer-provided stiff leg is required to prevent damage to the truck, suspension, and bumper. When performing a self-recovery using two-part line, keep the horizontal departure angle within 15 degrees of center line. Finally, maintain your BRADEN bumper winch system according to factory specifications detailed in the service manual. Following these guidelines will ensure safe and reliable winch operation. For more information, contact your local distributor or go to packourwinch.com.
PACCAR Winch, the standard since 1924.